Okay everyone, Gabe Addictions here. We got a little toy in. I got this, I would say, probably a couple weeks ago. I picked up this gun. I was in the market for another pistol. I have a Smith & Wesson NMP Shield as of right now. It's chambered in a 9mm, and I use that for my everyday carry. So we went ahead and got this. It's obviously a Canik. It's a TP9 SFX. So it's got the 5.2 inch barrel. It's chambered in 9mm. And it just seemed like it was going to be the right gun for me. So I went ahead and picked it up. I think I picked up this one for around 700 and maybe 40 bucks, 50 bucks, something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head. And it does have the red dot on it. So without further ado, let's go ahead, open it up. This is just an unboxing. I haven't gotten it to the range yet, so once we do, we'll have a range video and then what my thoughts on it. So pretty much this is unboxing. I haven't got to shoot it yet. I have put rounds in the magazines as of right now. Yeah, so let's check it out. Let's get this turned over. Okay, so there we go. Like I said, I went ahead and I had already put rounds in my magazines here. These are really nice. They're really sturdy. The quality of these are really nice. I like them. They seem like they're durable. They have the double stack, obviously. So there's the double stack here, and then it also has the extended rounds. It says it goes up to 18, but this actually gives you 2 extra rounds to hold in here with the extended piece right here. So really there's actually 20 rounds in this thing. You can never have enough rounds. So that's that. That's one there. And then let's go ahead and pull this out. As you can see, I still have a holster that comes with it. It's a right-handed holster. And for many of y'all, I am left-handed. So let's pull this out. Let's go and check make sure there's no rounds in here. So let's see if we could get it on the video. Nothing. Sweet. So, alright. This is one of the first full-length barrel pistols I've had. Now I picked up something else that I kind of wanted to toy with and really enjoy. So this is pretty neat. I like how the grip here, it's pretty textured. And then right here on the back strap, I like that you could obviously switch it out. Here's some pins that you just push through, and then you can switch out this back strap here. And I like how it has the texture on there. It has like little rivets or just like little, I guess you would say spikes type thing, and it really holds in there really nice and firm. So I like that about that. And then here we have the mag release. As you guys can see right there, it's pretty thick. I like that. I like that it's a medium, it says, with an M. I've heard that with these there's 3 different ones, which I believe are in here. So I really like the look of this gun. I mean, between the slide here, the color of the slide compared to the color of the grip and everything, I just really like the contrast of it. And then I like these serrated ovals here in the slide. For a lot of the things, I've heard that's what this is for weight reduction. That's why they do this. They're not in the barrel, but they are in the slide. So that's pretty cool. It gives it a nice little weight reduction. And then it has the red fiber optic up front. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. So holding it is not too bad. My hand grips around it really well. The back of my hand here sits right into this tail there, so that's not bad at all. So on this one, it has the extended slide release, which is pretty neat, as you can see there. That way you know when you grab it, or you know when you're touching that, because unlike the Glocks and a couple other pistols I've had, they're really small, and a lot of times I change them out and end up putting an extended one, because I like to be able to know, hey, as soon as you grab it, you know where to stop and everything like that. So that's pretty neat. I like that. This gun is already right out of the box. This pistol is competition ready. It's got the red dot on it. It's got the longer barrel. The mag release is really nice. So I like that. I really like the feel of this gun. Without further ado, let's check out what comes in the package here. So you know you have two magazines with 20 rounds, and then let's see what they give us here. So like I said, they give you a right-handed holster. It's outside the waistband. Here's the pad for it. So if you're a right-handed shooter, this will be good for you. You know, it comes with one. You don't have to worry about, well, I need to hurry up and buy one real quick, because then you could just go ahead and put this together, and you just got a holster just to carry around until you either get a custom one done or something of that nature. For me, being a left-handed shooter, I have to buy an aftermarket holster anyway, so I'm not really too big on it. I wish more companies would start coming out with left-handed holsters for shooters like me, but they don't. Like I said, you could change out the back strap. So here's the extra back strap. It's pretty neat. I like it. This one has a little bit more fill to it. So yeah, this one's, I think, just a little bit bigger. At least they give you that. You know, you're able to switch it out and things like that. For a $700, almost $800 gun, I mean, it comes with a lot. So it comes with the extra fiber optics sights for the front. But yeah, so it comes with that. And then, like I said, those are the two extra ones for the magazine release right here. So you could take that one out and put one of these two in there. So the one I have on there is a medium. Here's this one here is a large, and then this one here is the small. So you could change them out. I personally like the medium. It's not too overbearing, and this is pretty cool. I don't know if I'll use it because it seems kind of long, but this here is for your slide, so you can grab a hold of it and pull it back if you need to, especially if you're in competitions or something like that. It might be neat. But two little screw holes, one right here and one on this side of the plate there, right underneath the red dot. So basically you just screw this in all the way. It gives you a tool and everything. Pretty much you use it to rack the slide back, so you could grab it whichever way. If you're not a very strong person to be able to hold it like this, and for me being a left hand, obviously it'd be better for my right. If you're a right-handed shooter, you're probably going to want to put it on the left-hand side. But it's definitely your preference on what you want to do. You could turn it over and pull it if you want. For me, if I carry this pistol, this would definitely stick out too much. It would probably hit me on the side and probably hurt a little bit. It'll dig into the skin or something. So we have this, and you know, extra little pieces. Like I told you guys, it comes with rear sights. So whether this one that's on here is a Viper rear dot sight, so comes with a little dust cover, pretty neat. So that way you don't have to have it out all the time. If you're shooting, you definitely want to take it out before shooting. But if you're carrying it, it does come with a little dust cover. So that's pretty cool. That way nothing damages your red dot sight. So these are the extra different plates that you have on there. I believe the one that's on there is a 01. Here's your 02. Like I said, they're just meant for different rear sights that you may put on. Comes with a another key that has a Phillips flathead, and then another little small one, so that way you could do your little parts and stuff like that, which is pretty cool, I think. For the price of this, it comes with a lot of cool and neat stuff. I really like that. I like that you could pretty much buy this gun and it comes with a bunch of stuff and extra parts and different things, so you don't have to go out and buy like a bunch of stuff. It comes with it, so that way you're ready to go. Here's the stock one. This is when you buy this handgun without a red dot, this is what will come on it. So your standard rear sight here, which I don't know. I don't think I'm a big fan of it. I'm happy that I got the red dot. So if you're thinking about purchasing one, I would definitely look at the one with the red dot. Now, if you're thinking about purchasing one and getting a totally different red dot or anything, you could definitely just get the regular one. It comes with this rear sight post, and you could just go ahead, change it out, and put whichever red dot you need. It also comes with a couple other things, pretty cool. It came with your barrel brush, and it came with your tools, so you could put your little cleaning cloths at the end of here and pull it out the barrel and stuff like that. So I believe that's pretty cool too. So it comes with both cleaning things that you mostly need. This is cool that it comes with this stuff specifically for this pistol, and that you can still use it for possibly other 9mm and stuff like that. So that's pretty neat. Last but not least, we have the booklet here. Shows you how to put on the red dots, the different ones, the different plates. Depends on which red dot you're using. So yeah, it's a pretty neat booklet. Obviously, you know, definitely want to check that out. So for all in all, for $750 or so, this is a really nice kit. This is a really put together case. I like it. A lot of the guns I bought before doesn't come with like half of this stuff. I think right out of the box, I like it. I like everything that it comes with. Definitely going to get it out on the range so you guys can see it. This was just an unboxing, a review of what I ordered. I gotta say, I am definitely happy with my purchase for this gun. Stay tuned for the next couple videos. I'll probably end up going out to the range. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and share. We got more gun reviews to do. I just started, so bear with me, guys. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys later and check out the range review. Peace out.